It's rare that the construction industry experiences a truly revolutionary breakthrough. This is one of those occasions. Topcon is proud to introduce our new BIM solution, the Layout Navigator, the world's first 3D positioning system designed specifically for construction layout. With its clean, innovative, and rugged design, the LN-100 is truly a game changer. From the first time you see it, you know it's unlike anything you've seen before. The Layout Navigator delivers a simple, straightforward solution dedicated to construction layout and BIM applications. The learning curve for using a complex, advanced surveying instrument to perform construction layout tasks is gone. Operation is straightforward. Simply place the LN-100 anywhere on your project site, on a tripod, on a column, or on the ground, and press one button. The unit automatically levels itself and is ready to go. Fire up its wireless controller and get to work. It's just that easy. But Topcon's new BIM 3D solution offers much more than just layout operation. The system is also capable of recording topo or as-built measurements. With a family of office and controller solutions that integrate seamlessly with your Autodesk design software, you get streamlined flow of project data from the design to the field. As a leader in the precision measurement and positioning industry for over 80 years, Topcon is now leading the way in new, innovative BIM solutions. Whether your jobs are underground utilities, building infrastructure, foundations and footings, or basic landscaping, the LN-100 is the 3D layout solution for you. Topcon is announcing not only a groundbreaking design, but a whole new way of working. Topcon's BIM 3D solution, the LN-100, a totally new solution for construction layout, only from Topcon.